Sir, I was asking some few questions you had allowed me to ask later. That is why I'm just asking once again, sir. Sir, my first question is that, sir. Sir, as per the government records, up to September 2016 financial status of Telangana, sir, I went and I got just now, sir. In that, the total borrowings have been 14,873.76 crores. 14,873 crores, sir. Sir, in that, so the expenses details, capital expenses have been 11,509.31. Sir, if I am wrong, I may be corrected. When we do some borrowings, we are supposed to create assets out of the borrowings. But if we have to see the details, it has been spent on capital expenses. That means we have just spent that money. No assets have been built. Is it right or wrong? I want a reply for that, sir. Sir, and secondly, sir, about this scholarships which I had questioned on Honorable Finance Minister, sir. So the total students in BC welfare is 6,11,320. Minority students are 98,863. EBC are 80,981. Disabled 167. ST welfare 1,08,983. And SC development 1,92,923. The total students are 10,93,237, sir. Sir, total RFT released in the year 2016 and 17 is 0. MTF release is 0, sir. Sir, again in 2015 and 16, sir. 2015 and 16, sir. The total students are 14,15,667, sir. Sir, total RTF released is 700.90. Total MTF release is 281.10 crores, sir. The total release of RTF and MTF is 984, sir. Sir, now the question is that, sir, in 2014 and 15, the amount which was released for 2014 and 15 for 13,84,000 of disabled welfare, minority, EBC, SC, ST and BC, sir, the total amount was 2,266. It was 2,266 crores, sir. Sir, now the question is that in 15 and 16, only 984 has been released. So when are you going to release these remaining amount, the amount which is due is a question, sir. And sir, what will be the amount for 2016 and 17? When will that also be released is the question, sir. Sir, the students are suffering, sir. Minority budget also, sir, if we have to see, sir. Shadi Mubarak scheme, Honorable Minister Saab was saying, from last 6 months, sir, that Kalyanama, usme sab ek paisa nahi diye. Shadi Mubarak mein nahi diye, sir. Shadi Mubarak 2016-17 budget allocated was 150. Till now, budget release is only 30 crores, sir. They have not released that, sir. So I want to know, when are you going to release? For overseas studies, sir. On MIM's demand, this was also agreed, sir. When are you going to release the amount for that? Bankable link scheme, sir. Bankable link scheme. The applications are, subsidies not yet released. The applications have been sanctioned. Minorities, BCs, SC, STs are suffering. When are you going to release that amount? Is the question, sir. Sir, about the post-matric. Sir, I have to ask the question, sir.
See, this is question hour.
Sir, question only I am asking, sir.
Sufficient time has been.
Sir, about post-matric scholarships, sir, about minorities. About minorities, sir, 2016-17 budget, sir. MTF 50 crores not yet released, sir. RTF 233 crores not yet released. BRO 238.07 crore not yet released. Sir, only 85 crores have been released, sir. Sir, in minority budget, 1,000 change has been allocated. Out of that, 600 crores का जियो दिया गया. लेकिन पैसा जो आया वो सिर्फ 300 चिल्लर करोड़ आया, sir. And 16-17 it is 0, sir. Sir, sir, you have to give me some permission, sir.
Sir, this is now the time is 11:20. We are.
Sir,
the
you just.
Question only.
Sir, I humbly submit and I request, sir. I just need 2 minutes, sir. I'll finish it off, sir. Sir, I want to know from Honorable Minister Saab. Sir, I want to know from Honorable Minister Saab. Sir, what will be the impact of GST? What will be the impact of GST on state economy, state finances, state revenue collections. How are we going to be in plus after GST or in minus? Also, I would like to know, after this demonetization, what do you think? We know that, okay, we do not know the clear picture. But again, are we going to be in plus or in minus, sir? Sir, I would like to know from your kind self, Honorable Minister Saab, did he not promise in the budget session that he would release 20 crores for Khuli Qutub Shah Development Authority? Did he, on this floor, did he promise or not? Have you released it or not? From last 2 months, sir, the pensions are not released. I want to know, when are you going to release these pensions? It is very important, sir. And about Shadi Mubarak, I have said, sir, these are only few questions which I am asking,
Okay, Minister.
and I hope that a specific reply has been given in this, sir.